248 points this noon. S&P 500 is up 40 right now.
And happening right now in the WRAL Live Center, we're following some breaking news out of South Carolina. A judge put a temporary halt to South Carolina's new law banning most abortions around 6 weeks of pregnancy. We announced this yesterday in the Live Center at noon that this was set to go forward, but now this judge is banning it. He said until the state Supreme Court can review, he is putting a halt to it. The ruling came 24 hours after Governor Henry McMaster signed the bill. The decision means that South Carolina will now revert back to the ban, which is at about 20 weeks of pregnancy. Most abortions after 12 weeks of pregnancy will be banned here in North Carolina. That is beginning on July 1st.
Now to a story we've been following all morning. An 81-year-old woman is dead after a house fire in Franklin County. This happened on Harris Way near the town of Franklinton. WRAL's Keenan Willard reports on what firefighters encountered when they arrived at the home.
The Franklin County Sheriff's Office tells us 81-year-old Bertha Crudup died after being trapped in this home in Franklinton after it became engulfed in flames. The Sheriff's Office tells us they were called out here just before 10 o'clock last night, found flames coming out from the windows and doors of this home. They were able to kick through the front of the home and found Crudup lying on the floor, unable to walk with severe injuries. They say that they dragged her out of the home and tried to perform CPR, but unfortunately the woman died from her injuries. A small dog that was also trapped inside also died from burn injuries. Now at this point, they say that no foul play is suspected. They don't believe this fire was in any way intentionally set. But fire investigators are continuing to work to determine how exactly the fire started inside of this home. We did speak with a few of Crudup's relatives who were here on the scene. They declined to speak with us about this situation. Keenan Willard, WRAL News.
Now to South Korea, where a man is in police custody after opening an emergency exit door as the airplane was landing. Another passenger took this video inside the Asiana airplane, showing the wind rushing inside the aircraft. An airline spokesman says the plane was about 650 feet in the air when a male passenger sitting near the door opened a cover and pulled the lever. No one was seriously hurt, but 9 people were taken to the hospital for breathing issues.
Next at noon, you've heard of Amber Alerts. Well, now the Justice Department wants to expand the search for those who are missing. We'll